Hello traders, it's Pro Trader Mike. I want to show you a little bit about Mojo Swing Trading, the service of what we do. It's a system that's based on small cap system of trading that I've developed. And here's the picks for 2013. I'm going to compare myself to the #1 rated newsletter out there and their performance, who has the most members on the internet and out there. That's what they claim. Here's December of 2013. 65 trades, 92% correct. Average trade 710, 11.5% overall 50 Gs. November. And here's the status on all those, why I closed them with the members. Everything is sent out in a newsletter format. On Sunday night you get 3 to 5 new swing trade picks. Here is the actual newsletter that went on June 16th, just so you could get a quick glimpse. The structure. There's a swing members area on the website that contains small cap trading information, the charts, the model, archives, and everything. Every week you get on Sunday night 2 to 5 new swing trade picks. The newsletter comes in PDF and video format. Every week you get 2 to 4 new updates per week in video format. Watch list stocks may be in play. The moves average is 6 days. They include these kind of trade plays. The rules of the newsletter, you get all this when you join. What a Heinz trade play is. I give you an analysis of the portfolio for the week. You get a weekly comic strip. Real funny. Great. You get your industry groups for the week. Your #1 pick, Royal, R-O-Y-L, #1 pick this week at 315. It's 328, been as high as 344 today, really making a nice move. MPET also at 211 in that newsletter. It's the #1 industry group pick here this week, and so forth. I'll give you a good idea of the newsletter that goes out. October 2013, 83 picks, average 11.66, 53,000. September, 52 picks, average 87%, 34,000, average pick 6.34. August, 51 picks, 36% right, 71% average is there, $4,000. That was the worst month of the year. Average trade gain 2.2. That was the worst month of the year in August. July was great, 30,000, 12.5%, 92 picks, 81 correct. Average trade gain $325. Overall made $30,000. Very consistent. 53 picks, 90% correct. Average trade gain $385, $20,000. Average trade gain 13.77. Here's the performance of the #1 swing trade newsletter for the year. They booked $233,000. However, this trade right here at the end of the year on October 1st for $40,000 represented 20% of the entire portfolio for the year. So if you didn't get in and do that trade, you didn't experience that kind of profit. The average scalp was 1 nickel out of all the trades done throughout the year. The average trade percentage 2.75, and the average hold 3.3 days. So if you got involved in the last 2 months with this newsletter, all you did was pretty much lose money. See these profits right here of that $7,000? You lost that right there. There is a $26,000 right there where they did good, but like I said, if you didn't get in towards that last month of the year and you experienced all this, you didn't really do that great. Loss there, big loss there, another $10,000 there, $2,000. Well, he's got an 8,100, made 12, lost 12. There's the $8,000, lost that, 5. Then he lost 24 right there, another 5, another 6, another 4, another 5. So they're doing small profits but bigger losses. $2,600, $6,000, which offset is a nice 10 and 12, so they did good right there, but it's offset by these losses followed, and these losses right there. So that's the competition out there. Mojo Day Trading blows it away. When you're trading for a nickel on a swing pick, it's not a day trade, scout, it's very hard for a whole group and team to get involved and do that sort of trade play. Let me show you a trade play I did in the room this morning on Moby. Moby bought it right here at 10.18 at 7.89 market order. 7.90.93 more at night, playing for a Heinz move through $8. So then I bought more. These were all 100 shares. Then I bought another 1,000 at 7.95, more at 7.97. Then at 8 I bought another. I doubled the position at 8. Bought another 10,000 there. Bought more right here at 7.97. Another couple of thousand. More at 7.97 and 7.93. And I was done at 10.19 doing the buying. And then at 10.20 it rocketed through 8. Started selling 8.05. 8.15, 8.10, 8.07, 8.03. Last little dump right here of just 200 shares was at 8.02, so I'm out of the position flat. Then a minute later bought it back at 7.85 and 7.83 and sold it half a minute later at 7.97 and 96 again. And 8.02, I'm done for the day at 10.29. Made $3,000 on that Heinz move through $8. And that's what we do in the Mojo room consistently. I teach something in Mojo University, a class every Monday and Wednesday night. Check this out. It's an online class. Mojo University. And I actually teach a system off that Heinz move where the traders can look to make $1 million over a year's time. Every month, do the math, I do 300 trades. 30% of them are Heinz moves on my day trading sheet. 30% of Heinz moves. That's 120 of them a month. Round it to 1,000 a year, making $1,000 average per Heinz move. It's $1 million just off that move. And that's what I teach in Mojo University. The outcome goal to get that, the process goals to hit that, the self-belief and patience in your system to score like that. This month in day trading, did 154 trades, 92% correct, 15-cent average scalp, not a nickel. In May, day trading, 243 trades, 239 correct, 98% correct, average scalp 14 cents. Look at this run of blues. There's one loss. So from trade 121 to trade 268, 147 trades, one wrong pick in the day trade room. That's the Mojo style. Consistency, scoring. We're usually done by 10 or 11 o'clock every single day. And that's the combination of the services with Mojo Day Trading. Day Trading Room, Swing Trading Newsletter, and Mojo University. So what I do every day when I'm done with everybody is Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. Hope you'll be a member of the team. Go to my website, mojodaytrading.com. Everything is right there. Get started page. Whether you like day trading or swing trading, pick your style. There's the results. Make your move accordingly. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Have a good end of the week.